laser projects for Mother's Day, and really for whenever. So here you see a small collection of projects. Well, there's a lot more. Last couple years, I've made thousands of different unique engraved and cut projects with lasers, and this is a collection of some of the favorite ones that I've made for my mom and for my wife. Some really cool ideas here. Obviously, again, there's a lot more than what you see here. It's just a sampling. Some really good stuff, including a giveaway, winning a laser, as well as some cash giveaway prizes. Some cool stuff in here. Use the timestamps if you want to skip on around. But here we have it, laser projects for Mother's Day. So first up is actually one of my mom's favorite projects that I've done. It's just this idea of these layered signs. So you cut out lots of layers with the thin, 3 mm different material. You can paint it, you can use acrylic, you can use wood, and then using an adhesive on the back, definitely easier. You can do this really cool layered effect, kind of a mandala effect. There's so many cool designs out there. And my mom's favorite flower has always been pansy. And this was the first one I did ever of this style, and she loves this. And so I have a whole video on the whole process. Really fun, great project. You could also take that to the shadow box idea, right? So it's kind of like shadow boxes. This is the M1 Ultra, and it's actually kind of a Cricut cutter right now, but it also has the laser module. You can cut paper with a laser, or you could use a tool like this, which is kind of that hybrid. But the shadow box idea is the same idea, it's just even thinner. And so here you're using thin cardstock, and then you're using kind of some foam tape in between to give it that layer. But the same idea of a shadow box you could do certainly with wood and build that up over time. So kind of like that layered wood sign you saw earlier, you could do it with wood, paint it the different colors, and then once you layer it up, you get some really cool results. Later I'll talk about some designs. A lot of these files that you'll see I got from this one site, access to 10 free files, all kinds of cool stuff, but definitely want to check that out later in the video. You can see, but shadow boxes are pretty cool. You could add a custom message in there. You could engrave it. You could even do some, gold effects lettering. We'll get into that. All right, my mom's second, actually probably her most favorite, let's be honest, is journals. She loves all these journals I make, and anytime I'm getting a new laser machine, I always test one out, and so I just make different ones, and she loves these. She has so many of these different journals. There's some like this where different settings and, as far as the power and the speed, it'll give different effects, and so these are just really fun, really simple, just to make a fun little journal or make a collection of journals, for mom as a gift. Pretty cool, pretty fun, can do a lot. You could also do, this is a foil transfer tip. I was just talking about the M1 Ultra, so I wanted to share this too. This is just so cool. This is a hot foil pen. They did come out with the normal, foil pen, but the hot foil, you get really dramatic results on more materials. So I can add the foil onto leather or leatherette, and it just is a really, really cool look. So it's not technically laser, don't worry, the rest will be laser, but it's kind of in that laser family as the add-on with the foiling. But pretty fun. If you want to learn more about that or the shadow box and stuff, there's a video there that you can learn more about that. Okay, so sewing kits. My wife is always fixing stuffies for my kids, and she has a bunch of different little kits. And so you can get one of these kits, just a little sewing kit with some different things. There's a lot of these little leather, journal-like things, and you could, do a custom message on the front, custom whatever, or you can do a mama bear, something like this. Now, I will say this type of leatherette, I don't think was the laserable kind. You got to be careful with these because they do off-gas like chlorine gas, which obviously is really bad. And I have an air purifier, but it's really bad for your machine. So you do want to be careful with that and make sure, try and find laser safe materials. I found these on Amazon. I don't think they're safe, I'm not sure, but you can see here just a cool sewing kit. So if you're like, I don't want to laser directly on, you could do like a leather patch. Here's like a little manicure kit. You could just laser engrave a leather patch with adhesive, and then you could add it onto the top if you don't want to chance it. So safety first, safety first. Definitely jump in the comments if you want to add some more science to that. We could do like a leather hat patch. I've done a lot of these different laser leather hat patches or leatherette. Got a whole video on the process and the adhesives, so maybe you want to add that to one of those. Also, I've got a lot of different project ideas, and this is a recent video that has so many different blanks. So if you're looking to just engrave, pre-made things, definitely check out that video for some more ideas. Tumblers. So I love making tumblers. Basically, any laser is going to work for doing tumblers, even if it's an underpowered one. This right here is the P2 CO2 laser. Here, I'm not even using a rotary. This has like a curved surface engraving effect, so I can do it like that. Here, I'm using the rotary attachment in the F1. And so this is just the blue light. Even the F1 light, which is really affordable, you can do that. Here is, I think this, yeah, this is the F1 Ultra. No, maybe this is the F1. Anyway, we're doing a pass with the blue light and then a pass with the fiber or the IR. You can do the full wraps on the big old Stanley style ones and any of those bigger lasers. You could fit the whole wrap. And this is a cool iridescent effect underneath the powder coating. So I've done a ton of different designs like this, but you know, water bottles, you just need another one. So whether it's you're customizing with a message or you're looking for a full wrap, again, I'll talk about those designs. There's a lot of cool designs for the full wraps later. Speaking of designs, let's check those out. All right, I want to talk about designs and files real quick. Chance to get 10 free files if you use the link down below. Some really, really cool designs. So there's lots of designs everywhere. However, one source that I found that's way better than Etsy, obviously you can use Etsy, but when you go to Etsy, you'll buy a bundle like this, right? And like the bundle like this would be about $4, $5. Well, the cost of one file at about $4, you get a month of unlimited downloads. Unlimited downloads on all of these different things. And so here there are just so many different designs for all kinds of things. Obviously these would all be great for lasers. These would be great for other machines as well, UV printers, sublimation, or the screen printing, or all the different stuff, the apparel printer. But there's just so many cool ones. So definitely want to check this out. Here's just a bigger sampling of some other ones. Lots of Mama Bear. There's some collection of AI generated ones. Lots of great SVGs. But in addition, there's also all the fonts. And so if you want to add some really cool custom fonts, it's really simple to add this into the software for your laser machine. But this is awesome. So again, check out that link down below to get 10 free files. And then, again, if you sign up, it's pretty simple, pretty affordable for how much access you have to all of these different designs and files. So check that out. So engraving jewelry and necklaces in particular are great. There's so many of these really cool blanks, some gold-plated ones, some stainless. You can use the IR module like on the F1, the original F1, or this is the 20-watt fiber on the F1 Ultra. I'll talk a little bit more about lasers. But if you have marking spray, you could use other machines. But these ones with the stainless steel or the sterling silver, the other ones, you definitely are going to need one of those IR or fiber modules. But you can really customize all of these different necklace blanks, kids' birthdays, different messages, different little necklaces. I think that's just a great, obviously, jewelry. Mom loves jewelry, right? All right, these vases, this is another one that I did for my mom. She loves, having all kinds of different vases, different colors, all the flowers, and then we got some little inspirational artwork to go with it, some verses. This is actually a unique, these are kind of a ceramic one, and it was like a thick coating. And so using the fiber power of this IR, this fiber power in this F1, my gosh, the F1 Ultra laser, was able to get a really deep engraving, a really cool effect. And so these don't wear out. We even did this with mugs. So if you wanted this bonus project, right, you could do mugs. They don't wear out. You don't get dirty at all. But these are really, really cool. This is a cool effect. That white really pops for these vases. She loves pulling these out, and they're just like, they're fun. They're fun and happy. So some cool possibilities. Yet again, of course, I've got a video on that if you want a detailed tutorial on the process. All right, so wooden utensils. This is actually one of the first things I ever did using the P2. Here, some of these have a curved surface, and so you're going to need to use either the P2, P2S, or the F1 Ultra. It has it built in with the cameras for curved surface engraving, just to have that consistent result. But you can get away with it on some objects without. And so I made a bunch of different grandma's kitchen ones with her favorite flowers, the pansies in there. Also did a rolling pin. Now you could have fun with a rolling pin where you could engrave, patterns and textures deep. So when you roll out the dough or whatever, it leaves a print for, cookies or whatnot. So there's a lot of possibilities there with that rolling pin. But here, the curved surface engraving, these different ones, they're really fun. I've made a lot of these for my mom. Actually, basically anything I've made these last, 8, 9 years, it's something for my mom, and she loves it. She really does love all the different projects. So again, these are for Mother's Day. This is a Mother's Day video, but these work for anyone, any time of the year. Just some different project ideas. But here you can see this is one of my very first videos. It's very early on. Not a lot of folks have seen it, but if you want to go back and check that one out, you can see that process on these a little bit more, some more blanks, some more ideas on the rolling pins, those cool French rolling pins. But really early, don't even need the rotary attachment for those. All right, let's talk about some more jewelry and earrings. This laser is called the F1 Ultra again. This has the fiber laser. This takes a lot of time to cut, but it's cutting through it's cutting through thin brass. So there are some lasers that can actually cut out metal, and you could cut out, right? So we have some thin brass there. I was able to cut these out. Cool. Very cool, very cool. Now, as far as time, this would be a one-off kind of a personal project on that kind of thing. Now, if you want to do some serious earrings of brass or, some thinner metals, they actually, xtool, a lot of these machines, actually all of these machines are from xtool. There's a new machine they came out with called the Metal Fab that I got to test out. And here I'm doing a sheet of brass and cut out all kinds of ornaments, earrings, super fast, like in no time cut them out. And the laser beam is so thin, the kerf is so thin, things didn't even pop out, so it didn't fall down below. Really simple, really clean, and insanely fast. So that same earring that took me, hours to do, I was able to do in like 5 seconds. And so this is a bigger machine. I'm not trying to do ads with this video, but if you're really wanting to get into jewelry, you might want to check out that. I got 3 different videos at this point on that, some cool stuff. Now here's something you could do, business cards. These are just those anodized aluminum business cards. And so first, this is real time on the engraving, doing an engraving on the business card, and then I'm doing, some passes. And so using that 20-watt fiber power, I think I did 100 power, maybe it was like 1,000 speed, 10 passes. Don't worry about the alignment. This was just, I moved it. You could see that the cards warped just a little bit. And so if you add some weight while you're engraving them and cutting them, it's going to make things a little bit better. Now, if you want, you can actually add the adhesive on the back. And if you add the adhesive, then when you cut it out, see how I got the weights down just to make sure it doesn't warp and so the alignment stays where it's supposed to. Then you can peel off the back and you can attach it to maybe something you cut with wood. You can also make these cool little jewelry cards if you want. But here I cut these little walnut jewelry cards, clean them up after, a little soot. And then you just take it from the business card and it's got the adhesive on the back. And you can just add it in, line it up, and you got yourself some really, really nice custom earrings. So this is very doable. Again, a lot of machines probably, well, not a lot of machines can do this. You do need the fiber power to cut through the metal. And so I love that F1 Ultra. Again, not trying to do ad in this video, but that one can do so many things, so many possibilities. All right, family portraits. So I've engraved pictures on so many different of my different laser machines, different projects, but this one is cool. You're using a canvas, and then I sprayed the canvas with paint, and now we can do a family picture. So I used the design to kind of stretch these pictures. I made my own collage style, but you could do any kind of art. So I have a whole video on this process using colors, where you can add different layers of paint in different sections, and then you add in the image, and you get some pretty crazy results. But I think family pictures is a great one. Doing a custom canvas, obviously you're limited to the size of your laser for that engraving, but some really, really cool art. And then of course you could add in, Happy Mother's Day 2025 or whatever you want to do for it. Apparel, yeah, apparel with a laser. So here's the laser, and it is engraving on a screen for screen printing. And so this is a product that came out about a year or so ago. It's super fun. I had so much fun diving deep into this, and my mom loves it when we do matching shirts, and so we always go to Orcas Island as a family in the summer. So we went ahead and we used a laser to make the screen, and then just some ink. Pretty simple, really simple to do screen printing. We made, there's my mom and grandkids, my dad of course, and you can make all these really, really cool
things. This was all with the ink. So you can do multicolor. It's a little bit trickier to do the multiple layers of color, but this is ink. This is legit screen printing that you can do with the laser. It's one little add-on for it. So I've got 2 different videos on the screen printing process. Well, wouldn't you know it, xtool, this company I keep referencing, they came out with an apparel printer that has direct to film. And so the technology in this sucker is insane. This is not a laser, I know, but it's adjacent. Insane. I've got a lot of videos on it. Here, this doesn't have the shaker oven quite yet, so I was still able to get it up and running, but the quality is incredible. And then basically what happens after you print these images, you add an adhesive powder, you got to shake it off, and then you bake it in an oven. And then it's ready to use a heat press. And so then you get full color. You could do family portraits on someone's t-shirt or sweatshirt if you wanted to. But this is an amazing piece of technology. I've used this one to do a lot of different projects. My kids love it. We've done all kinds of different t-shirts, done some orders for businesses. But here's a little bit more about this machine because it's so cool. And yes, I've done a couple shirts for my mom. She loves them. They're so much fun. And while we're talking about apparel, we talked about these leather patches earlier. So here's a little bonus. Leather, lasers. So this is the laser, right? We weren't in the lasers for a while. We're back to lasers. You can do leather patches, and you can add these to beanies, to hats, to bags. You can see there's some little zip-up bags, you know, for makeup and different things. But these are really cool, right? A cool, fun little one. Obviously, Mother's Day isn't really cold for beanies, but you know, there's some folks who like to rock those year round. But there's other applications for the leather patches. Again, that video kind of talks about some adhesives and some considerations. So just a couple ideas. Again, I have those other videos with other project ideas, but a quick little look. It's just fun to make stuff. I've made all kinds of projects for my mom through the years. You know, whether it's the custom framing, you know, potting benches. The boys have helped me make stuff for my wife. That was actually Valentine's Day. But some fun stuff, big potting bench. Fun ideas, make stuff for mom.
So there you have it, just a couple ideas for Mother's Day. Of course, this would work for any holiday or for just because. I have quite a few other videos on all the projects and some just on engraving, some really, like you saw, on all these different things. So be sure to check those out. If this video added value and you want to see more of these projects, more all things maker, consider subscribing. A lot of new things coming, a lot of really cool stuff on the channel you can check out. Now, giveaway. If you want to win the F1 light. This one's awesome. And really for engraving, you can engrave quite a lot of things with this. This is part of the Mother's Day promotional giveaway. Even though the window is going to go a little past Mother's Day, it's just that time period. So check down below for details on the giveaway for this machine, as well as there's a winner of a $500 cash gift and I think a couple winners of $300 cash. But check the details down below about the giveaway. Now, if you really, Mother's Day project, if you really want to, you know, show your love for mom, give her a project, or excuse me, give her a machine. Honestly, these are just so much fun to do all kinds of different things. I've done quite a few projects with my family. And so if you check out my different videos, you'll see a lot of different cool lasers. And yes, xtool, all of these lasers are xtool. I've chosen to work exclusively with xtool for a lot of reasons. One, there's a huge user base. So there's so many other users giving ideas, tips, and tricks. They're a great company. They stand by all their machines. Great customer service. Now they've expanded to US-based customer service. The software is easy. It's intuitive. And yeah, if you haven't picked up, they do send me these in exchange for making videos, but I choose to work with them exclusively. They're always coming out with new ideas, so many really cool applications. And so if you're curious about the different machines, I do have this video right here. This video talks about all the different machines, the pros and cons. But if you're really wanting to get started, you know, on a small engraving machine like this one right here is awesome. This one can do lots more and it's bigger. Of course, the M1 that you saw doing these shadow boxes, like kind of like the Cricut meets laser meets, that one's crazy, and that's really cool. So anyway, explore those. Look forward to some really cool new ideas coming this year, some exciting new things. Well, thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day. Love you, Mom. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.